Welcome back, crypto lovers. We're talking about the market leader right now, RUNE. What is a market leader? A market leader is an asset which is preceding all the moves within the market. And RUNE, once it broke over here, right, in October 23rd, was one of the first movers and the biggest mover, of course, of this last move up. So the last leg up, this made, oh sorry, this is the new high. To the last high, 334% in just a couple of weeks. Let's measure it in just how many weeks, just 2 weeks maybe. Yeah, no, 3 weeks, 28 days. It made 330%. So 4 times your money in 28 days in less than a month. And of course, it actually started way down over here back in August, right? To move up, made 180%. So I talked about this in the last video. By the way, if you like my content, please like, subscribe, give that bell notification, because you know what? I talk about trades in real time and you don't want to miss them. You just want to receive an email notification. Hey, Jomo creating a video right now. I want to watch it. Why? Because it's a potential trade. So why did I choose to show you RUNE again? Well, very simple. It's breaking out just as we speak. In our last video just a week ago, so I told you that in the next time, once it will break this high, it will be a high probability move. And look at it, it's moving. Will it go bananas? Will it go nightmare mode? I don't know, but it's still looking quite sharp. Now the thing is, we look for the same things either to add for trades or to get into trades. Let's say you missed RUNE, all right, and you've seen it made 330% in less than 30 days. This is an up move, right? An up move shows momentum. An asset is having momentum. That's what having RUNE. Later, you see that it's moving sideways. This is called a base, right? A base is simply a consolidation sideways. We can see this is very short, right? Very short, 16 days, and it's breaking out today. This is a breakout day. Why it's breakout day? Because it broke out from the last local high. Now, if you look at this, all right, this some people would say has sort of a V shape and whatever, but for me, all right, this is a volatility contraction pattern that looks like cup with handle. Very known and very familiar type pattern, all right, that is traded a lot in stocks, very much in crypto too. Look at it. So this is a cup with handle, and as you can see, it has three iterations, right? From peak to trough, right? This is one iteration, one wave of volatility. This peak to this trough is the second wave of volatility, and the last wave was the handle, right? From peak to trough. And you can see how volatility is contracting. If we will measure this, we will see that the first one, all right, the first contraction was 28% from peak to trough. The second one was 15% from peak to trough, and the handle, which is the last iteration, was merely a probably 7% peak to trough. So single digit iteration, and boom, we broke out. Now the beauty of these type of volatility contraction behavior, this is behavior, right? It's a behavior of an asset. It's a behavior of supply and demand, right? It acts like a spring, right? So each time you squeeze the spring, imagine a spring, you squeeze it, and then you squeeze it. Each time you squeeze it, it creates more power. So when you let it loose, it will go bonkers, right? So that's what we want to see in our trades, and RUNE is exhibiting, right? Now, I just want to make sure that you understand one thing. This does not mean 100% this will succeed. It can actually fail here, right? I just want you to know this can actually fail, even though we had this spring effect, right? And we think that the probability is with us because the market is giving a lot of room for wiggle, right? The market is actually good. Bitcoin is booming. Everything is booming. The market seems ripe. It can still fail. And I just wanted you to know that because there are no certainties in trading. No certainties in trading whatsoever. But so far, it's looking really good and it's looking really slick. Now, another word and advice. The good thing about these iterations, now they don't always look like this, right? This is one way it can look, right? This is one way. Another way can be something like this on the lows, all right? Another way can be more like an ascending, all right? Wave, boom. It doesn't matter. As long as the volatility is contracting and you take the trade once it breaks out from the last iteration, right? Now, the good thing about this is when you get in a trade, you immediately know where you put a stop loss. In this case, it's below this last daily low. So the low of the last iteration, the low of the last wave usually is, all right, or acts as your stop loss. Why is a stop loss important? Because you never know if you're right or wrong. Maybe this will boom, all right, fall all the way down, and if you don't sell it, maybe right? Maybe it does like this. You don't, let's say you don't have a stop, you don't sell it, and then it goes all the way down and you lost 30, 40, 50% on your trade. Do you want to lose? I know some people say, hey, you know what, you need to be strong with your gut, you know, that's what trading and investing is all about, sitting on the tough times. No, I don't believe in that. I don't want to sit in tough times. This is not acting well. Boom, I'm out as fast as possible. Move on to the next one. Take another trade. But, all right, that's a word on advice. But on RUNE, I think we have good probabilities of this continuing, and I want to make sure you understand what are my thoughts. Now, let me tell you what I'm looking for. For me, all right, what I'm looking for, first of all, is that today's volume will increase. I want today's volume to be higher than the prior day. If we can finish actually today's volume, all right, at least, all right, what happened over here? No, that's not what we wanted. Oh, we had this open all the time? No. Let's go back to RUNE. What I want today volume to do, all right, is to increase. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I went to another. I went to another window, and I thought sorry, guys and girls. I just kind of confused, but I'm back. So I want this day's volume to finish higher. If we can finish higher than this one, all right, that will really tell me that we have a lot of volume coming in on this breakout day, because this is a breakout day and I want volume to be at least as high as these days, all right, or even higher. If it can close higher than these days, even better. So that's one thing I'm looking at. Second thing I'm looking at is I want it to close near the highs, all right? Even if we stay at the 7.1-ish area, I don't care. As long as we close around the high without a wick, all right? I don't want to see, all right, a candle like this, all right, and a wick up like this, meaning that we closed in the lower range. Now it can still move after we close in the lower range, but the better it closes, the better the candle closes, the more pronounced the move will get, right? And I will tell you another thing, I will be selling into strength. So after 20%, I'm taking some off the table, financing my risk, right? 30%, taking some profits, 50%, taking some profits, right? Don't be fooled to think that this can just go up and up and up. It already made 340% in the first move, all right? So let's assume this was the first move. Let's measure it, because sometimes this stupid way works. So now if you put this over here, you have until the $10. That might be it, all right? That might be it. And from the breakout area, it might be only 40, 50%, all right? Might be. Why? Because you already made 30% move. I don't know. We can't know exactly how high it will go. I can only tell you one thing. I'm going to take profits into strength and see how long I can handle it. And the moment I see weakness, I am going to sell. All right, everyone. Again, if you liked it, please like. If you like my video, you like my content, like, subscribe, comment. How high do you think RUNE can go? And as well, if you are really serious about your trading, really serious, probably I think you are. If you're watching my video until now, you're probably serious, right? Because you want to make money, and you want to make money trading crypto. You want to get that financial freedom. I recommend you to take a look at my trading services. Just click on the first comment, or in the link on the first comment, or in the link in the description, and it will take you to our Patreon page. You will land here, you will see our page. Join for free gives you nothing. It's just a mailing list. We don't have anything on it. And you can choose any tier you want, all right? If you just want recommended tier, $20 a month, that's it. And you will get all the signals, daily updates, videos about what do I think about open positions, about how to think like a trader, about the market itself, everything, just for $20 a month. Try me out. 1 month, you don't like it, you can go. No strings attached. And if you want more coaching, choose the other tiers. Look, here are some signals that I gave. This was the RUNE trade, all right? And accumulation we started a couple of months ago, back in September, right? Jomo, this is me. Look, at $1.61, we started. RUNE is now at $7. This is where we started trading it, right? Now it's not only RUNE. Look at CAS. In November, we took it at 53 cents. Now it's at 53, well, that's actually half a cent. We took it half a cent, and now it's at 1.5 cents. So 3 times our money in less than a month. Solana, we took it in around end of October at $25 around. Now it's around $60 again, same thing. And you can see it in INJ, same thing. We actually started trading INJ at $8. We added on the $10. Now it's at 17. All right, it's moving. This is our last Nakamoto trade. We took 140. Now it's at $2.1. And this is the last trade in like 6 or 7 trades we made on Naka, and we accumulated it. We make money. All right, we make money. This is another one. This is another Naka trade from before. Hey, look, You're serious about trading? I don't need to tell you anything further than this. These are our signals, You get them as soon as we have a trade, right? Many times a month. We make money consistently, and I will teach you as well. Not only I will give you fish, I will teach you how to fish, and I will do the heavy lifting for you. I will do all the screening. I will find all the best opportunities, and I find them, right? That's on me. And I promise you, you will be happy. So check us out and let me know in the link in the description what you think. All right, everybody, hope you like this. Just remember, stay tight, and until next time, no edge, no trade. Cheers, everybody.